Speech communication is essential in our everyday lives. Speech helps us connect with friends and loved ones. It helps us to do business and transfer complex thoughts and ideas. We talk and listen to many people every day, but how effective is our speech communication? And how do we measure just how intelligible a spoken message really is? This is an especially relevant question when sound systems come into play. In some cases, such as voice evacuation systems, making sure that spoken messages are intelligible may literally save lives. In this short video, we will demonstrate how to measure speech intelligibility in just some simple steps. With the right tools, measuring speech intelligibility can be done quickly and easily. The best way to objectively measure speech intelligibility is by means of the STIPER method. This is a fast and efficient implementation of the Speech Transmission Index method, standardized through various international and national standards. STIPER was originally designed for public address systems and voice evacuation systems, but the method is equally suited for many other applications. In real human speech communication, there is at least one talker and one listener. To do a STIPER measurement, you need two devices, a source of the STIPER test signal to replace the talker, and a STIPER analyzer to replace the listener. The VOX analyzer and the VOX box are devices made specifically for STIPER measurements. These devices are extremely easy to use and fully supported by FlameStop Australia. We are about to test speech intelligibility between a talker and a listener. To be more precise, we are going to test the influence that the transmission channel between a talker and listener has on speech intelligibility. The result will depend on the characteristics of the transmission channel, such as the presence of noise sources. Before any STIPER test, the talker is always replaced by an artificial source of the STIPER test signal. What signal source to choose depends on the kind of system you are testing. Some public address systems make use of pre-recorded messages. In those cases, simply upload the STIPER test signal as if it was a new spoken message. The STIPER test signal is provided on a flash drive bundled with every VOX. In most scenarios, the speech playback through evacuation systems comes from a live talker. In those cases, the STIPER signal from the flash drive cannot simply be uploaded to the sound system. This is when the VOX box comes in very handy. Use the sound system's microphone as you normally would with a live talker. However, instead of a live human talker, place the VOX box in front of the microphone. You don't have to worry about adjusting gain levels to get the signal level right. The level and spectrum of the STIPER signal are calibrated to correspond exactly to a human talker. Simply press play and let the signal play continuously. The act of performing the STIPER measurement itself couldn't be simpler. Place the analyzer in the desired position to get tested. You may hold the instrument in your hand, but the most accurate results are obtained when placing the STIPER analyzer on a tripod stand 1.5 meters off the ground. Make sure that the signal is audible in all zones you intend to measure. Depending on the acoustics of the room, your STIPER measurement results will vary from position to position. Carry out multiple measurements for each room. Before conducting any tests, please review your relevant standards and any existing baseline data to determine where the reference points will be. The Stiper method does not deal well with impulse noises such as slamming doors. If this happens, discard the measurement and start a new one. If the analyzer detects an invalid measurement, the Stiper result will be crossed out. The Stiper result is an index between 0 and 1. The higher the result, the better the overall speech intelligibility. Our Australian standards for fire evacuation systems require an STI result of equal or greater than 0.5. After each valid measurement, press Save to store your results. You can review saved data on the analyzer or download the data to your computer if required. Many companies download an electronic copy of their measurements to a personal computer. On the same flash drive that contains the test signals, you will find analysis tools for use with Microsoft Excel. These will help you to quickly and efficiently organise your readings as part of your baseline data. This covers all of the basics of speech intelligibility testing. For exact details on the test procedure you need to follow, always consult the applicable Australian standards and regulations. If you would like more information on VOX, please visit our website or speak with one of our friendly customer service representatives.